Imagine the world's greatest genius trading his chalkboard for a throne. In 1952, Albert Einstein was offered a job that had absolutely nothing to do with physics. He was asked to become the president of Israel. After Israel's first president passed away, Prime Minister David Ben-Gurion needed a leader with moral authority. He sent a formal letter to Einstein's home in Princeton with an unbelievable deal. Einstein could keep his scientific research while serving as the nation's figurehead. But in behind the scenes, Ben-Gurion was terrified. He actually joked to an aide, "I had to offer it, but if he accepts, we are in trouble." Einstein's response was swift. He turned it down. Why? He admitted he lacked the natural aptitude for politics. He spent his life mastering objective laws of nature, and he knew the messy world of people and diplomacy was not where he belonged. Einstein chose the chalkboard over the suit, proving that true leadership is knowing exactly where you don't belong. That's 1 minute, and don't forget to like and subscribe.